In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get working Chewy discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for Chewy discount promo code. Right here, select this website which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with different types of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this 20% off discount code, I have to do is select show coupon code right here, and this is the discount code that I can apply on my next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, there is another website which is called simplycodes.com. And as you can see right here, you also have a list with different types of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this 30% off discount, all I have to do is select copy code. And this is a discount code that I can apply on my next purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.